Good morning, everyone. Hope all of you are fine and stay home during the lockdown period. I'm Arvind Soni from Aditya Birla Public School, Rehla, Palamu. Today I'm going to teach you the first chapter of literature reader, The Toda and the Tahir. Look here, students. This is a chapter, The Toda and the Tahir. Toda, basically, it's a species from southern India, written by E.R.C. Devidar. First of all, we discuss about the content of the lesson. First, about the author, then the character, next, text explained, then finally, first of all, we see this picture about the author, E.R.C. Devidar. This picture is related to E.R.C. Devidar. E.R.C. Devidar was born on October 7, 1922 and died on April 7, 2010. He was a well-known wildlife conservationist from southern India. He has published several articles on wildlife, a novel based on the life of the Brigadier Birappan, and stories for children. We see in this chapter there are three main characters. This boy, this two animals. The boy is Khamos, and this one is Nilgiri Tahir, and the dog Koonch. Let's begin with our first lesson, literature reader, The Toda and the Tahir. Toda. Toda, an ethnic group that lives in the Nilgiri mountains in southern India, and Tahir, a species found in the Himalayas related to the wild goat. Okay, now we will start our lesson. What was that? Khamos asked sharply. His dog Koonch growled. They both listened intently. Intently, deliberately, means aisa aise. The boy and his dog were on a ledged mountain side. Ledged means border, limit, sima, which jutted. Jutted means strike out, bahar nikalna, into space. Means they both are going through a mountain side. After that, they strike out into a space, open area. At their feet lay a chasm, ditch, khai, deep and frightening. Means जो डिच यानी खाई है बहुत ही गहरा और फ्राइटेनिंग मीन्स भयानक, डरावना था। As they stood listening, the call was repeated. They listen, somebody is calling them. It was a cry of distress and it was becoming fainter. But it was enough to tell Camus that the sound came from a narrow strip. Narrow strip means nearby. पास की ही एक छोटी सी रास्ते की पट्टी थी, वहां उसे वो आवाज सुनाई दिया। Of jungle between two cliffs. Camus, closely followed by Kuhn, rushed down a steep, rocky path towards the sound. अब वो दोनों उस आवाज की तरफ धीरे धीरे बढ़ने लगे। He had to be careful. On false step would send him hurtling down the precipice. Means one false step, एक गलत कदम उनको तेज ढलान वाले चट्टान पर फेंक देगी, गिरा देगी। They bothered track. मीन्स अगर वो उतरते समय थोड़ी भी सावधानी उनकी अगर गलती हुई तो वो बहुत तेज ढलान से नीचे की ओर गिर सकते थे, जिनसे कि उनको नुकसान हो सकता था। ओके, द स्मॉल वुड they entered was damp, wet and dark. Camus had to slow down and grope, gravel means something you find in dark. Totolna. Next page, about in the gloom means darkness. When his eyes had adjusted to the dim light, after some time, when you not able to see in dark place, but after some time your eyes are adjust, he saw young Nilgiri Tahir caught in a snare. Snare, a trap used by hunters for catch the animals. Okay, the animal gave a last feeble bleed. Bleed means feeble, weak. Bleed stopped struggling and lay still. Now he is very weak. Hope he will be caught in that trap a long time. After that, he was very weak. So, stop struggling and lay still. अब वो स्ट्रगल करना रोक दिया और चुपचाप लेट गया। Camus thought it was dead. Camus को लगा कि वो मर चुका है। The wire of the snare has cut deeply into his neck and the animal was bleeding. जो जाल के वायर थे उसको वो उसके गले के पास से काटा तो उसे दिखाई दिया, उसमें से ब्लीडिंग आने लगी। Was bleeding. Camus passed his hand lightly over the animal. जैसे हम जानवर को चोट लग जाए तो उसके ऊपर से हाथ फेरते हैं ना, just like that. There was no other visible injury, though he could feel its heart pounding rapidly. He sat beside the animal and loosened the snare gently. अब उसके बगल में बैठ करके उसके सारे वायर्स को, जाल को सावधानी से उसको अलग कर दिया। The kid galloped in air and great gaps. Camus carried it to small spring. Camus उसको एक छोटे से झरने के पास ले गया। There he bathed the young Tahir's wound and dressed it with leaves of plants which he had seen his people use to heal wounds. अब वो तहर को स्प्रिंग के पास, छोटे झरने के पास ले गया और उसके घाव को अच्छी तरह से धुला और धुलने के बाद कुछ पत्तियों से उसका ड्रेसिंग किया। ड्रेसिंग क्योंकि उसने देखा था कि उसके लोग जब चोट लगते थे उस पत्ते से उसे ठीक किया कर देते। हील उंड मीन्स चोट को हील करना, ठीक करना। लुक आफ्टर आवर यंग फ्रेंड कैमोस ऑर्डर्ड हिज डॉग। देन ही सर्च्ड द स्ट्रिप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट फॉर मोर स्नेक्स। ये जंगलों की ओर चल दिए। श्योर इनफ देयर वर 3 more. They were cunningly set on hunting trails used by Tahir crossing from one section to the cliff to other. The snare would pass over the neck or body of an animal that walked through it and hold it. Means जो snare यानी ट्रैप फंदा था वो तहर को पकड़ने के लिए हंटर्स के द्वारा जंगलों में बिछाया हुआ था। As they trapped animals struggled to free itself, the noose would tighten, leading to its death. Trapped animals means जो एनिमल्स उसमें उस फंदे में फंस जाते हैं, they struggle to free itself, अपने आप को फ्री करने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं। द नूज मीन्स फंदा, वुड टाइटन लीडिंग टू इट्स डेथ, और वो तेजी से अपने आप को फ्री करने के लिए स्ट्रगल करते हैं, जिससे कि नूज फंदा जो है वो उनके गले में फंस जाता और टाइट हो जाता, जिसके कारण उनकी मौत हो जाया करती थी। इफ द स्नेर caught it round the body or a leg, it would strap to death. Strap to death means भूख से मर जाना। अगर वो फंदा गले की जगह पैर में फंस जाता है तो वो वहीं पर पड़े रहते हैं और उनकी भूख से मौत हो जाती है। It was a cruel way to capture animals. Camus was furious. Camus बहुत ज्यादा डर गया। Camus knew who the culprits were. Culprits, victim, दोषी। जानता था कि दोषी कौन थे। They were tribals who lived in the jungle below and were hunters and trappers. वो पास ही के जंगल में रहते थे। वो एक तरह की जाति थी जो जानवरों को पकड़ा करती थी। Camus wondered how they had found their way there. He did not know of any track leading over the cliffs into the jungle below. Then he remembered seeing a party of hunters on the cliff line some days ago. Means कैमोस कहता है कि कुछ दिन पहले मैंने कुछ हंटर्स को देखा था जो लाइन बना करके चट्टानों पर चढ़ रहे थे। He wished he had followed them to find out what they were doing. He tore the snares from the trees to which they were anchored. Anchored means kind of langar, moor, and threw them down a cliff where no one could reach them. Means उस जो लंगर हंटर्स लगा के रखे थे उनको वे ले करके और ऐसी जगह फेंक दिया जहां पे कोई जल्दी नहीं पहुंचता। The cry of the young Tahir in distress and attract others besides Camus. 2 of the hunters' tribe who happened to be hunting in the jungle below heard it. They hurried to climb their prize. तो ट्राइब जो लोग थे वो उनको आवाज सुनाई दिया और उन्हें लगा कि समथिंग वॉज कॉट इन आवर ट्रैप, और वो उस प्राइज को लेने के लिए जल्दी से ऊपर की ओर चढ़ने लगते हैं। द स्ट्रिप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट वेयर कैमोस फाउंड द ट्रैप, Tahir fell away abruptly. Abruptly means sudden, अचानक। Camus stood there, wondering how the hunters planned to visit their traps. Cautiously, he moved forward to investigate. Investigate means searching something. At his feet lay a well plated rope made of cane. Well plated, अच्छी तरह से, जस्ट लाइक चोटी को जैसे हम बाल की चोटी बनाते हैं उस तरीके से रोप मेड ऑफ केन. केन मीन्स सुगर केन, गन्ना. मीन्स बड़े ही अच्छी तरीके से गूथा हुआ गन्ने की एक चोटी बनाई गई थी. It reached right down to the jungle below, which at this point was not far away. As Camus watched, the rope suddenly came to the life and wriggled means get rid of, छुटकारा पाना, like a snake. He leaned forward to have a better look, and in so doing almost tumbled over. Two hunters were climbing up the side of the precipice with the help of the rope, and one of them had almost reached the top. Means precipice means तेज ढाल की ओर से दो हंटर जो चढ़ रहे थे उनमें से एक ऊपर की ओर पहुंच गया था. The man's finger dropped means something searching without seeing, टटोलना. For a handhold to pull himself means वो कुछ ऐसी मजबूत चीज को ढूंढ रहा था जिसको पकड़ के वो ऊपर की ओर चढ़ सके. He glared into the boy's eyes, trying to frighten him into inaction. अब वो उस बच्चे को देखता है और कोशिश करता है उसे डराने का. Camus' blood froze. Camus का खून जम गया. Suddenly he remembered the wood-cutting knife he had in his hand. अचानक उसे याद आया कि मेरे पास एक चाकू है जो मेरे हाथ में है. He made as if to cut the rope. Now it was the hunter's turn to be frightened. अब वो उसके हाथ में चाकू था और अब जो टर्न डरने का वो हंटर्स का था कि उसे वो काट देगा. Shouting a warning to his companion, he slid down the rope as rapidly as possible. Camus waited until the men were about a dozen feet from his ground and then cut the rope. मतलब कैमोस वेट किया कि थोड़ा रुक जाते हैं ताकि कुछ लोग और ऊपर की ओर आ जाए, मीन्स कुछ ऊंचाई पे चढ़ जाए, तब मैं काटूंगा ताकि वो गिरें और उन्हें चोट लगे. एज दे फॉल ही वॉर्न्ड देम दिस शुड टीच यू अ लेसन. और जब वो गिरेंगे तब वो कहेगा कि मैं तुम लोग को ये लेसन तुम लोगों के लिए कि तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं. नाउ वी स्टॉप हियर फॉर टुडे.